Union Minister of State for External Affairs R.K. Ranjan asserted that India-Republic of Korea relations will offer new opportunities to expand supply chains and trusted digital products. The Union Minister made this statement in the ministerial conference on the theme AI, Digital Technology and Democracy during the Third Summit for Democracy, which is being held in Seoul, Republic of Korea. In his remarks, the Union Minister referred to India's immense potential of digital technology and AI to strengthen democracy and transform governance, making it more efficient, inclusive, faster and transparent, and enhancing service delivery. During his two-day visit, Union Minister R.K. Ranjan also met Republic of Korea's Foreign Minister Hye Cho Tae-yul. They discussed the wide-ranging India-Republic of Korea relations, including economy, technology, culture, and people-to-people ties. They welcomed the 10th Joint Commission meeting co-chaired by Union Minister of External Affairs S. Jaishankar and Finance Minister Cho earlier this month. They resolved to work together to implement the understanding reached by both sides. Further, Union Minister of State for External Affairs R.K. Ranjan held productive interaction with a cross-section of Indian diaspora in Korea. He mentioned the areas of cooperation with Korea and exchanged views on Indian foreign policy perspectives and India-Korea relations.